What's up, Food Jacks? How you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and it's time to get some clean flavors together. We're taking a break from barbecue for a few days, and we are going to be doing California fish tacos. My buddy Kelly, who's a big fisherman out here in Tennessee, he's bringing them over. I don't think he's ever had a California fish taco. I haven't had any since I was back in Cali, so I'm really excited about today's episode. Come on in close, and let me show you all that you need to make this happen. So the first step before my buddy gets here, I'm gonna make the called a corn slaw. And here's what you need to make the corn slaw. Mayonnaise, kernels of corn. I'm only using a little bit of this honey, red cabbage, cilantro, jalapeño, and lime. We're gonna add the mayonnaise in. Take the cilantro, go ahead and squeeze in your lime juice. Put in your honey. It says to whisk it in, but I'm just gonna mix it with my spoon. Now that it's all blended, I'm just gonna put a little pinch of salt in here, pinch of black pepper. Incorporate that in there really quick. Put our cabbage in. And put in your corn. I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator, let it chill for a little bit, and we're gonna get to the front door, let Kelly in, and start working on the fish. So we're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This is basically gonna allow all that seasoning to stick to the fish. I'm gonna juice a lime. I did it earlier, I didn't show you, so let me show you really quick. Best way is just to press and roll, press and roll. It breaks down all those fibers inside and allows the juice to come out easier. Put your lime juice in there. Put in some chili powder. A little bit of cayenne, a little bit of cumin. I put extra cumin in all my Mexican dishes. It's such a good flavor. A little black pepper, pinch of kosher salt. Okay, break up all your seasoning and get it all whisked together in the oil. So my buddy Kelly just arrived and brought this beautiful, beautiful fish. And this fish was just caught yesterday. It's a cross between stripe and rockfish. And I didn't even know that existed. I mean, like stripe and rockfish got together one night, hanging out, bottle of wine, boom, you got this. Now get yourself some wax paper and you're going to brush our seasoning blend onto the fish and be sure to flip it over and hit the other side too. Okay, here we go. We're gonna drop these in. There you go, look at seasoning's all on there. That's gonna be beautiful in a taco. I'm running around the kitchen getting it all together, just hanging in there. I'm warming the tortillas in a frying pan. Oh, they just smell amazing. Corn tortillas, hot, hot, hot. Put you right in there, look at that. That baby's steaming. Now, if you ever go to taco places, they're probably not gonna give you as much fish as you're seeing in this video because they're real skimpy. They're good. Oh man, are they good? There we go. And another piece there. Put that piece there. Awesome. There we go. Nice. Place your avocado right on top. A little lime juice. Just a little bit. You already have lime juice in just a few drops. And a dollop. Come on, don't be stubborn. There we go. There it is, California fish tacos, and thanks to my buddy Kelly for bringing me fresh fish for this episode. You guys ready to try it? Let's do it. Oh, it's dripping. I'm just gonna drip onto the other taco. It's recycling. I'm back in San Diego again. That is flawless. You saw how easy it was, right? If I can do it, you can do it. Oh, I'm sorry, Trevor. Yeah? Oh, thanks. So give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you later.